In my opinion, rating a driver 1 star is a serious thing and should not be done flippantly, but there are absolutely some reasons to rate a driver 1 star, and we'll discuss those today. So first off, some riders just can't be pleased and will rate a driver 1 star for whatever reason, maybe even trying to take advantage and get a free ride. This is garbage behavior and hopefully will be caught, and these riders that exhibit fraudulent behavior should be booted from the platforms. And we drivers also have what Uber and Lyft call rating protections. In Uber's documentation, they say to protect your rating against overly negative or biased riders, we check whether the ratings a particular rider leaves are consistently low and remove these from your rating calculation. Ratings with feedback that are beyond your control are also excluded. This list includes incorrect or poor navigation, mechanical issues, wrong pin location, and Lyft's documentation just says we know some things are out of your control, such as shared routes or pickup times, so if you're rated 4 stars or fewer for something you can't control, it won't count against you. So there are some protections in place to take account for fraudulent riders and also things that are out of your control. Now again, in my opinion, rating a driver 1 star is a serious thing and it should not be done flippantly. I feel if you're going to rate a driver 1 star, you should feel that that driver should not be on the platform at all. And as a driver myself, maybe I'm a little bit more sensitive about these 1-star ratings because I know how serious they are, but if I take a ride as a rider and I have a bad experience, I will typically rate the driver 3 stars. If you rate a driver 3 stars, it means you will never be matched with them again, and in most cases I feel like this suffices, a 3-star rating. So again, I feel if you rate a driver 1 star, it means that you feel they should be off the platforms, and there are 2 main reasons that I personally as a rider would rate a driver 1 star, and the main reason are vehicle issues. If you have a really cracked windshield, if you have a lot of warning lights on your dash, if your car is making a bunch of weird noises, we drivers need to stay on top of our vehicles. It is paramount. Safety is paramount. At least here in Minnesota, we only have 1 annual inspection, so the vehicle is being inspected by a third party only once annually. But outside of that, for the rest of the year, if anything's going wrong with our vehicles, we need to take care of it. Anytime we have serious issues with our vehicles, we need to get it taken care of right away. And this is a reason for a rider to rate a driver 1 star. And reason number 2, I personally would rate a driver 1 star as a rider is erratic driving. Speeding aggressively, stopping really fast. Sometimes when I'm in some of these rides as a rider, it feels like the driver is driving with both feet. And just erratic behavior in general as well, if they're confrontational. Now in terms of these first 2 reasons, I personally have encountered fraudulent behavior by riders. As far as vehicle issues, one time I had a rider report my car for having something that poked them. I then inspected my vehicle to make sure that I didn't have anything sticking out that would poke them. There was nothing. I had to talk with Uber and send some pictures, and then the report was taken away. I'm guessing this rider was trying to get a free ride. And as far as erratic driving or behavior, one time I had an Uber rider report me for an inappropriate physical touch. And I of course never did this, but my driver account was deactivated for the time that it took them to investigate the situation. This rider was either trying to commit fraud or they had mistaken me with another driver. This is another reason that all drivers, you need dash cams. You should have a dash cam. Now there are a few other reasons that a rider might rate a driver 1 star. I personally probably wouldn't rate a driver 1 star for these reasons. And the first reason is smells. If you have body odor, if it reeks of food in your car, if you have overwhelming air fresheners. As a driver, I personally want neutral smells in my car. I don't have air fresheners on my vents. I will spray air freshener occasionally, especially after I've given a ride to a rider that may have smoked a cigarette or smoked weed, but I don't want to have any overwhelming smells. Some riders are really sensitive to smell. And another reason for a 1-star rating is a messy car. If you have a bunch of stuff in your vehicle, if you have a bunch of stuff in your trunk and people can't even get their luggage in it, drivers should just have awareness and not keep a bunch of junk in their car. Riders want to ride in a clean car. And the last reason, and maybe I personally would rate a driver 1 star for this reason, if they're talking on speakerphone. A rider once told me that a driver was talking to his wife on speakerphone and it was blaring. It was a very loud conversation. And when drivers are giving riders rides, their sole focus should be on safety and giving a smooth ride. It absolutely baffles me that a driver would ever do this. Even sometimes they'll have a conversation with their Bluetooth headphone in. Save the conversation for when you go offline or when you're not giving riders rides. And also what dovetails on this reason is playing loud music or music that people just don't want to listen to. I personally like to have silence in my vehicle because you can't please everyone. I don't play any music because I don't know if that rider is going to particularly like what I'm playing. And if they do want to listen to music, I just assume that they'll bring headphones. So that's the list of reasons that I came up with that a rider might rate a driver 1 star. Again, as a driver myself, I take 1-star ratings very seriously, and when I take a ride as a rider, I'm only rating them 1 star if I feel that that driver should be off the platform. But what about all of you? When you take rides as riders, do you ever rate a driver 1 star, and for what reasons? And again, for riders that are exhibiting fraudulent behavior and are rated rating drivers 1 star trying to get a free ride, they should be booted from the platforms. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on the 5 reasons I will rate a rider 1 star, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.